We'll guide you through how to convert links to files in Telegram. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many users do not understand how to properly download links as files from Telegram web. They may feel confused about login steps, finding chats, or locating downloaded files. Clear instructions help beginners save time, avoid mistakes, and easily manage files for work, school, or personal use. To begin this tutorial, click Google Chrome on your home screen to open the browser and wait until it fully loads on your computer. Once the browser is ready, click Search on your Google Chrome browser by selecting the address bar at the top of the window so you can type a website address. Next, type web.telegram.org carefully into the address bar and press Enter on your keyboard to open the Telegram web page. When the website finishes loading, click Login by phone number to access your account. Enter your phone number in the field provided, making sure you select the correct country code before typing your number. After entering your phone number, click Next to send a code to your phone number for verification. Wait until you receive the verification code on your phone, then enter your code in the field provided, and you will be automatically logged in to your Telegram account. Once you are successfully logged in, click Search at the top of the Telegram web page to find the contact or group containing the link you want to convert to a file. Then type the name of the contact or group in the search field and wait for the result to appear. Once it appears, click the contact or group to open the conversation. Click the link you want to convert to a file so it opens properly. After opening the link preview, click the download icon in the top left corner to begin downloading the file to your computer. The file will automatically download, so wait until the process is fully complete. Once the download is complete, click the download icon in the top right corner of your Google Chrome browser to view your downloaded files. Click the folder icon for the downloaded file to open its location, and the downloaded file will automatically appear on your device, ready to access or use.